everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be making the Red Lobster Cheddar Biscuit mix. I got this at Walmart, and I think I made this once before, and it's absolutely delicious. I love their biscuits. So let's get started. So we have to preheat the oven at 425 degrees. Okay, so I have that preheating. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I'm going to be linking those down below in the description box. Okay, all right, so we take the package and we put that in the bowl. Okay, this is the cheddar biscuit mix spices seasoning. Let's see, so all I need is 3/4 cup of cold water and 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and then the pouch of the seasoning. So let me get that together and I'll be right back. All right, so we're going to add the 3/4 cup. I didn't fill the cup, can't find my 3/4 cup. So we have this 3/4 cups of cold water inside this, so we pour that in. Then we have 1/2 cup of the sharp cheddar cheese shredded, okay. And now we're gonna add the pouch. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get this all mixed up and show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is what the mixture is looking like. This is a biscuit mix, guys. So once again, we're making, just to show you, the Red Lobster has these delicious cheddar biscuits. So they're called Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. And this is, hopefully they look that way. So I got the pan ready. This is a big pan and another smaller one. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you just one. I'm just doing dollops, guys. So I'm sorry, my oven is ready. So I'm gonna, here's one. I'm just gonna do a dollop like that. See how many biscuits we can get. So these go in the oven between 15 and 20 minutes. Everybody's oven is different. So just follow the instructions and then just check it. Don't those look delicious, guys? So it looks like we're gonna get, let's see, 8 biscuits. I think that's what the box said too. Doesn't that look delicious? This is going in the oven once again at we are baking for 14 to 16 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it after 10, see if it's looking nice, and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so I just took these biscuits out of the oven, and I don't know if you could see, I don't have my gloves out, but here's one thing I'm going to do, guys. I melted some butter here with Italian spices, and the biscuits are looking kind of dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dab them with butter. Like, who can't get enough butter? And that is pretty much it. I think they came out so nice. So as soon as you put them on this with the dollop like I did, it's the, whatever the shape is that came off the spoon, it doesn't really puff up too much. So whatever the shape is, guys, it's gonna stay that way. But look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try. Okay, the perfect amount of butter here. Now you don't have to add the butter. I just wanted this to be buttery. Wow, this is so delicious. Okay. So, but what I will do is, right in front of you, I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, look how flaky that is. That looks so delicious. Let me cut a little piece. Let's see. So good. All right, guys, let's head on over to the reveal. Okay. Then these biscuits look absolutely amazing. Here is the box. I think they came out delicious. I definitely would recommend this. Remember, I purchased that at Walmart. Yummy. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.